All right, hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at devices. So here we go. We're going to come into devices. Now, why is devices important? Well, this is very closely aligned with your web design. Okay, so we were having an issue with mobile because I initially was not trained in mobile design and I had a small team and I didn't really have time to go through every single page of the website and optimize for mobile. Now you can see and you can start to see what's happening. Okay, so now this is mobile ranking. So you'll notice really junky mobile ranking. Well, I guess that's actually still pretty good. 26 is still okay. We'll talk more about acceptable average, but low by comparison, I guess. Now when we come over here, we're ranking average of 8 on mobile. Whoa, that's awesome. So average rank 8 is crazy town. So that's great. And we'll look, okay, we're slowly increasing. Why? We're increasing the number of blogs. So we're getting more clicks. That makes sense. We've already seen this is very similar to the desktop information. We got this huge drop. We'll talk about later, understanding the data. And then we've got some very spiky, all these spikes. Those are all the Sundays we've looked at in a different, so you can start to kind of see there's a story happening here. Our audience is telling us stuff. The data is telling us stuff. And so you can see that something we did started getting more clicks on mobile. Our click-through rate, this is particularly important. You'll notice we're over here and the mobile click-through rate's very low, and we're over here and that mobile click-through rate has really come up all the way up to 7% at one point, and I think we're still around, actually, we're still pretty close. We're about 6.5. So that's pretty good. So this is mobile. And why is this important? Well, the vast majority of people at this point search the internet on mobile. And so if you're trying to get, for example, people to call a client, let's say you're working on a client account, you need them to call, and you're not ranking on mobile and you don't know why, it's probably because you don't have the website optimized for mobile. It doesn't actually show up right. You have a desktop website trying to show up on a mobile and they can't see anything when they pull up the site. So Google's not even going to rank you. So as soon as you go in and mobile optimize your site, you're going to see that you're going to start ranking better because people can actually use the site on mobile. So this is something to be aware of. And of course, this isn't just mobile. We'll be able to see how this works on, let's just go to tablet. We'll just click on tablet and let's look at that. So tablet for us has been pretty consistent, which is very interesting. Also, tablet's not usually something you're going to target in on as the primary. Now, often if you're going to optimize for mobile devices, tablet's just going to be thrown in there because it doesn't really take that much more time to just throw that in. But of the, hundreds of thousands of clicks that we've got, only 6,000 came from tablet. So this is going to be really low by comparison to all of the other categories. But for example, let's just say you happen to know because of whatever you do, like obviously we have courses, maybe all of our sales come in on tablets. 90% of our sales come on tablets. And I just happen to know that because of, let's say, data in Google Analytics. Well, I'm going to want to be optimizing for tablet. I'm going to be wanting to make sure all of these numbers make sense for tablet. So when we have tablet selected, well, let's come over to pages. Well, what pages are the pages ranking for tablet? And in this case, it looks very similar to the pages that are just ranking normally. Okay. But, let's just see here. There we go. What if I want to know exactly with the sermon topics blog, how that is ranking on tablet? And now I've got 2 filters in here. And then let's go compare that to queries. And you'll notice the exact queries that people are searching to find the sermon topic blogs on a tablet. And we could go through a country on here too. So, let's just say in the United States. There we go. We're going to throw that on there. And this is now getting super specific. So you can see how you can really dial this in and figure out where information is coming from and why things are happening. Okay. We're still going to get more into that. But either way, you can come into countries, you can optimize countries, you can optimize and break out individual countries and then look at the data through the lens of only that country to get better insights about the client you're working with or the business that you're working on. So with that, thanks for being here. Appreciate you being with me through so many of these videos. And we'll see you in the next one where we're going to get into devices.